Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok problem. To know how to find the solution about TikTok, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. It will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye in another video. Sorry.